Welcome to Math Champion Academy. Here, one of the important question given, okay, from the real number chapter. A is equal 2 square into 3 power x given, B is equal 2 square and into 3 into 5 given, and C value also given, that is 2 square into 3 into 7. And LCM of ABC is 3780. Then what, find x value? X is equal to. So we have to find x value. To solve this one, first look at, find this factor, prime factors for 3780. Okay, 3780 prime factors we have to find first. Okay, it is do first with 2, 2 1s are 2, 8 is 16, 2 9s are 18, 0. Again with the 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, 2 5. With the 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 5s are. Okay, next 3 1s are 3, 5s are 15. Next 3, 3 5s are 15. Again 5 7s are. So this is the factors. Okay, 3780 we can write as the factors. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, okay, into 5 into 7. Now LCM of ABC, how much you are getting? Find the LCM of ABC. A is given, A is 2 square into 3 power x. B is given 2 square into 3 into 5. C is given 2 square into 3 into 7. So if we take LCM of ABC, LCM, we have to take common one. Okay, here 2 square is a common. 2 square, smallest power we have to take here. 3 here, there, here, there, here, there. So we can take 3 power x into, here 5 is there and here 7 is there. So we have to take 5 and 7 also. So this LCM, this is equal to this one, 3860 prime factors. So from here, if we see here, both are equal. This is equal to this one. This 2 square and this 2 square cancel. This 5 5 7 7, it get cancelled. So what is the leftover? 3 power x is equal to 3 cube. So x value, what is bases are same, then what is the power should be same. So x is equal to 3. From here you will get x is equal to 3. Okay, so our option is C is our correct answer. Okay, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.